Ever wondered why ginger tea is so popular? Well, it's not just because of its distinct flavor. Ginger tea, a beverage steeped in history, has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. From the ancient healing practices of Asia to the herbal remedies of the West, its uses are as diverse as its flavors. But what makes this humble brew so powerful? Is it more than just a tasty, warming drink? Stick around to discover the 8 compelling reasons why you should drink ginger tea daily. First off, let's delve into the 4 initial reasons why ginger tea should be your go-to beverage. One of the most remarkable properties of ginger tea is its anti-inflammatory prowess. The gingerol compounds in ginger can help reduce inflammation and block pain signals to the brain, offering relief from conditions like arthritis and migraines. So, if you're battling inflammation, a warm cup of ginger tea might just be the ticket. Next up is its role in improving digestion. Enjoying a mug of ginger tea can stimulate your stomach to produce more digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more efficiently. This can lead to less bloating, reduced heartburn, and overall improved gut health. The third reason is weight loss. Ginger tea can act as a natural appetite suppressant, helping you feel full for longer. It also boosts metabolism and aids in fat burning, making it a great addition to any weight loss regimen. Lastly, let's talk about immunity. Ginger tea is packed with antioxidants that can enhance your body's natural defense mechanism. Regular consumption can help you ward off common colds, the flu, and other seasonal ailments. But that's not all. Ginger tea has even more to offer. Let's explore further. Continuing our journey, let's uncover the final 4 reasons why ginger tea deserves a spot in your daily routine. Moving on to reason number 5, ginger tea is a natural stress reliever. Its calming properties can help soothe your mind, easing tension and promoting a sense of tranquility. Picture this. After a long day of work, what could be better than unwinding with a warm cup of ginger tea? Next up, at number 6, we have the potential of ginger tea to improve cardiovascular health. It's believed that the compounds in ginger can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol, both of which are key in maintaining a healthy heart. For our 7th reason, let's talk about menstrual pain. Many women experience discomfort during their monthly cycle. Here's the good news. Ginger tea is known to provide relief from menstrual cramps. It's a natural and comforting remedy that could make a significant difference. Finally, we arrive at reason number 8, the anti-cancer properties of ginger. Preliminary studies suggest that ginger may help prevent certain types of cancer. While more research is needed, the potential of this humble root cannot be overlooked. Now that we've delved into these impressive health benefits, let's quickly summarize. So, why should you consider adding ginger tea to your daily regimen? Well, we've discussed 8 compelling reasons, from its anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to aid digestion, boost the immune system, relieve nausea, enhance weight loss, reduce stress, improve heart health, and even fight off cancer cells. Each cup is a powerful cocktail of health benefits. With such an array of health benefits, it's clear why ginger tea has stood the test of time as a healing remedy. Give it a try, and your body might thank you.